So your girl is all ready. I am about to prepare to speak. I'm just signing on to Zoom now. So yeah, you guys will catch me later. So guys, let me fill y'all in on some tea, honey. So a couple of days ago, I bought some beef jerky from Poundland, and when I got home and I started eating it, a piece of it had mold on it, you guys. Like a piece of mold. It had mold on it. I'll put in a little picture to show you guys. And obviously I was horrified, so I contacted the company, emailed them. I emailed them quite nicely, to be honest. I didn't come for them. I just said I bought some beef jerky and it had a bit of mold on it. You know, I don't really appreciate that, and I would like for you guys to investigate. Well, I didn't say investigate, I just said I just wanted to let you know, because you know, I'm still gonna keep buying it, but I was a bit put off because I was like, what if I ate a piece and it had mold on it anyway? Anywho, I know kindness always goes a long way, so I thought maybe they'll send me a little replacement, of which they did. I will also show you guys that, or maybe you guys saw me unboxing that yesterday. But yeah, so that's the backstory. So now I've got the moldy bit biltong in here, and I'm just about to go to the post office to send that back to them, and then I'm gonna do my usual Friday activities, which is going shopping. So yeah, let's go do it. And happy Easter, guys. It's Easter, Good Friday, so yeah, I'm excited. Hi guys, happy weekend, happy Saturday. Your girl is up early for once. It's 11:20 and I got up at like 9:30. Nah, maybe 9:45. But that's pretty early for me for a weekend, especially a bank holiday weekend. But anywho, today I've got a busy day. So tomorrow is Munya's birthday and I've just come to Glasgow Fort. I'll show you guys a little bit more. I've come to Glasgow Fort to pick up a birthday cookie for him. We got one like personalised with him. Happy birthday, Christian, all that good stuff. So I've come to get that. And then I also need to pick up a few other bits and pieces while I'm here. I need to get some conditioner. I need to get him a balloon as well, obviously. And then some sweets and stuff just to, like, you know, fill up a little hamper thing we're going to do tomorrow. So yeah, let's go do some shopping, and then later on I'm going to spend some time with the fam. Guys, I've just picked up the cookie from Millie's Cookies. Let's see it. Aw, happy 17th birthday, Christian. This is lovely. Look at it. And it's the double layer one, so it's like 2 cookies. Boy, I'm excited to dig in. Guys, I'm so confused about which one to get because I've used this one before and it was good but very pricey. But recently I've been using this one here and it's much cheaper, but now I'm like, ugh, what do I get? Because it's a 3 for 2 offer as well. Look. Can't take them anywhere. It's not even say where we are. Don't look at this thing, doesn't even say where we are. Hi guys, so it's been a few hours. So after we went to the Campsies for a lovely walk, we came back and then I went for a 4-mile walk just to get some steps in, and then now I'm back from Aldi. I've just done a quick shopping trip to get a few bits and pieces for dinner, so I'm gonna make chicken wings and beef stir fry. So yeah.